Welcome back. Welcome back. Now, one of the applications that Microsoft Office 365 places inside of your admin panel is called Delve. And if you go down alphabetically, you'll see it. Now, Delve is a way to discover what other people are working on. And what you'll have are all of the people that you are connected to in your team or your organization on the left side panel. And in this case, all you need to do is to click on that person's name. And what you'll then find is that you'll see all of their documents available in one area as well as dates and times. So for example, you'll see the green document that was produced earlier in this course, as well as the invoice, as well as the other document. Now another way of being able to find content that others have done is to do so by search inside of Delve. And so you'll go to the search bar. And if you write in what you remember, you'll be able to find the document here inside of Delve, and you'll be able to click on it. And you'll be able to access it either as the author or as a contributor. So what Delve does is it attempts to make it easier to find the documents that you need, as well as to collaborate with others as they work on the documents that they are working on. The one aspect of these documents is that you can click this More options, and you can click in this area that says Who can see this? And Office will then open up a right side panel telling you who can actually see the document. So if you're working with outsourcers or you're putting together a temporary team and you're working inside of OneDrive, you will be able to know who's working on the document as well as to be able to make comments through one shared area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.